Hi, this is Mike with Sewer Flow. We're at 213 Hillendale, Pittsburgh 15237. This is the second video we made. We noticed that the laundry water was not making it to the house trap. Found a rough end for maybe another sink or something like that on the other side of the laundry. This is where the laundry water is flowing. We got it in there on 25 foot and ran into this. I don't know if this is a severe separation, collapse, I'm not sure what it is, but it's not a good drain. So we'll pull back as slowly as we can and see if we can figure anything else out about it. I located it outside. It's on the porch. I'll see if I can find a way to mark it.